You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this recipe of pasta from Italy. If you want to learn more pasta dishes, sauces, food names from Italian cuisine, I've got them all. Stay tuned at the end of this video, meaning the assassin's spaghetti. It's generally made with spaghetti, but you can do them with penne. All'assassina is the Italian pronunciation, also known as bruciati, or therefore burnt. All'assassina. All'assassina is the Italian pronunciation. Therefore, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, just simply say all'assassina, spaghetti all'assassina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.